No, 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 no. Bees. Those were bees. Make sure they're all off me. Welcome back, everybody. Happy New Year. Hello, 2025. Can you believe it? Welcome back, guys, to the AmenCornerRider channel. I know, long time no see. I've been riding, but just haven't really been making videos. I've just been riding, you know, and just enjoying the ride here in the gorgeous Central Coast of California on my fantastic Yamaha MT09 SP. Looking forward to just a spectacular year. If you follow my channel, you will probably remember that I had a full knee replacement. It's been 10 months now. Yep, 10 months. And it's doing good. Not 100%, but really no problem at all riding motorcycles. Took a nice hike today to start off my morning. I go to the gym every morning, 6 days a week. I'm trying to strengthen my quad muscles. So for those of you who ride and are contemplating knee replacements, yes, it's so a can-do. First got back on the bike after my knee replacement. Oh, what did it take me? Maybe 2.5, 3 months, I think. You know, the bend of the knee, it would just get really achy after, 15, 20 minutes. And I'd have to straighten it out. But now it's like no problem at all. I could ride all day. Yamaha is doing great. Not one stitch of problem with this bike. It's been fantastic. I'm still loving it. They redid this road. It's so nice and smooth. Hopefully not too many people on this road today, being that it's a holiday, unless they're going wine tasting. Hopefully my audio sounds okay. The little foamy thing attaches to my media mod on my GoPro. It flew off a long time ago, and you just can't buy one separately. So hopefully it sounds okay, not too clicky. Like this setup. I haven't really had any problems with my, I think it's a GoPro 10 I think I have, with the media mod. Seems to work okay. And I love to ride my motorcycle. Ride. Yeah, baby. I would say it's about 68 degrees out right now. Really nice. Wearing my summer gloves. Can't complain. This bike handles so marvelously. It's just a marvelous bike. So easy to ride. So easy to shift. So seamless. Hello there, fellow New Year's Day rider. Yeah, I can't talk. other bike I really liked that I had, that I kind of wish I never sold, is the BMW R1250R. That was such a nice bike. Such a nice bike. I say that was another one of my favorites. I like that one even more than the R9T. I like the R9T too, but I like that R1250R. That looks fabulous. Also super comfortable. Oh, I got the road to myself. Woo-hoo-hoo. I don't want to get a ticket. That would be a horrible way to start off the new year. I have not gotten any tickets on my bike. Woo-hoo. I hate to even say it out loud. Turn green, thank you. Thank you for not pulling out in front of me. Mr. Interesting looking truck. Shoot. Oh, I ran over that piece of wood. Darn it. You okay, front tire? Feels okay. Scary. Scary. I haven't had a flat tire since my R9T. I got a flat like within 2 weeks of buying it. Well, guys, I'm just gonna cruise here, make sure everything's cool with my bike. So I sure hope you guys are all off to a wonderful start to your new year. Leave a comment below, say hi, tell me what you've been doing, tell me what you're riding. And I will hopefully be making more videos soon. I'm going to be coaching basketball for a couple months, so I might be a little bit busy. But I will catch you in the next video. Take care and Happy New Year.